Welcome once again to our YouTube channel, which is called Abroad Mentors. I am here to tell you more about the pronunciations. All right, so let's get started. Today we'll learn the pronunciation of names of the months. All right, first one we have is January. Okay, don't get confused it with January. Okay, but this is January. All right, January. Then we have is February. Okay, not February but February. Then we have March. April. This is not April but this is April. Okay, then we have is May. All right, this is similar to what we asked, may I go, may I come in. So this is spellings are same, but here it is month, but the pronunciation is same. All right, it's May. Then we have June. All right, next is July. Then we have is August. Okay, this is not August but August. All right, whenever A and U are used together, it gives you sound of O. Okay, so July, August. Then we have September. Okay, this is again, I tell you, this is September. Okay, if we just split this, this is Sep, S-E-P, Sep, then Tember. So this is September. Okay, then we have October. Okay, R is a little silent, so this is October. Then we have is November. Okay, this is not November, this is November. Then we have, at last we have December. Okay, so let's revise again. This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, that's all for this, and now we'll learn the pronunciation of body parts. Okay, many of you may get confused yourself with different different pronunciations. So I tell you, first of all we have head. All right, then this is our forehead. Because what does the word fore mean? Fore means actually forward, you can say, something which is in front. ओके जो चीज सामने होती है, ठीक है, जो चीज सामने होती है उसके लिए हम हमारा जो बेस है दैट इज फोर. सो दिस इज आवर फोरहेड. देन वी हैव आईज. ओके, देन आईज आई टेल यू अगेन. So when it comes to eyes, so this is eyebrow. All right, then we have eyelashes. What are eyelashes? Let's see, this is an eye. All right, we have an eyeball here, and if I just draw it something like this, okay, then I have an eyebrow here. So these, the hair over your eye, so these are called eyelashes. Eyelashes. All right, and the skin over your eye and below your eyebrows, that is called eyelid. Okay, what does it call? Eyelid. Okay, so we have eyebrows, then we have eye, this is our eyeball. Okay, then we have eyelashes, and this area in between your eyebrows and your eyes, that's called eyelid. All right, then we have nose, cheeks, chin and tongue. Many of the children, they just pronounce it incorrectly. They just say it tongue you. Sometimes they may say it, but this is tongue. All right, so we have tongue, then we have teeth, and this area is called jaw. All right, spellings are Jaw. All right, this is jaw. Then we have fingers and this area, oh, in our hand, it's called palm. Okay, what is it called? Palm. All right, then this area, it's called wrist. Many of you have heard, there are, this thing is displayed many times, that this is wrist watch. Okay, so this is wrist. All right, so we have learned so the pronunciations today. So we'll continue the session again, and I hope you like it and you learn it. All right, so I just ask you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Abroad Mentors. And signing off for today. Thank you.